Do you want to combine multiple photos into one collage right on your iPhone? I'll show you the fastest way to create a collage on your iPhone, so just follow my steps. We'll start by opening our Shortcuts app and then tap on the plus option at the top right to create a new shortcut. After that, I'll search for Select Photos in the Actions section. Tap on the arrow to expand it, and then enable this Select Multiple option. Let's then search for one more action and search for Combine Images. When we add that second action, you're going to tap on horizontally and change this to in a grid because we need to create a collage. And we have to add a third action to our shortcuts, which is Save to Photos, which is then going to save our collage to the photo gallery. Once you add these three actions, you can go back, tap on the shortcut to activate it, which will open our photo gallery. Select a couple of photos which you want to use for your photo collage, and when you're finished, tap on Check at the top right. Your collage will be created and saved to the photo gallery, so I'm going to go ahead and open my photo gallery, and you can see my collage created without the use of any third-party apps.